In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete Facebook posts on a business page. If you manage a Facebook business page, you probably know how quickly your content can pile up. Maybe you're rebranding, cleaning up old promotions, or just want a fresh start. Instead of deleting posts one by one, I'll show you a simple way to remove many posts at once using Meta Business Suite. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing business.facebook.com into the address bar and signing into the Facebook account that manages your business page. Once you're signed in, make sure you've selected the correct business from the list, especially if you manage more than one page. This is important so you don't accidentally work on the wrong account. When Meta Business Suite loads, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From this menu, click on Content. This is where all of your posts for that page are organized. You'll see a list or grid of your published posts and possibly scheduled or draft posts as well, depending on how your page is set up. Take a moment to make sure you're viewing the correct section, usually the Publish tab, so you're working with live posts on the page. At the top of your list of posts, you'll see a white unchecked box above the first post. This is a Select All checkbox. Click on that box. When you do, Meta Business Suite will automatically select all the posts that are visible in the current view. You should now see that each post has a check mark next to it, indicating that it's been selected. Before moving on, quickly scroll through to confirm that you're comfortable deleting everything that's selected. Once your posts are selected, look for the delete option that appears, usually above the list of posts or in a toolbar at the top. Click on Delete. A confirmation message may pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete these posts. Remember that deleting posts is permanent and can't be undone, so double check that you don't need any of them for reporting or reuse later. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. After a few moments, the selected post will disappear from your content list and your business page feed will be cleaned up. You can repeat this process if you have more posts than what was shown on one page of results.